All right, so coming to today, we knew that today was going to be decently choppy, just because yesterday was that. Uh, where's the class hosted? No, whatever. Yesterday was the X. Today was manipulation, or today was accumulation. Sorry. So we had previous day highs, our draw, coming into today. We were on that market maker buy model. I think market opened right. Right. All right. Yeah, we opened up right. We opened up right. Okay, this was market open right here, and then on. You can see with the session cycles. This was Asian.
Yeah.
We accumulated. London manipulated lower, and then New York was at distribution higher. So we were trying to play. We were trying to play open, low, high, close today for longs. So, and we did get that. We did get that. I just had. We did get that today. We did get some longs today. But yeah. So market open right here. No, market opened right here. Right off market open when we came bearish, swooping this low right here, tapping into this fair value gap right here, and we were below New York Open, true New York Open. So we were looking for longs below true New York Open. This is where you want. This is where you would want a long. So off of this turtle soup, we came up inverse this 1 minute fair value gap, forming this BPR. This is where what do we do on Friday? Friday is typically like a reversal or a continuation. It's its own thing. So right here, we try to get an entry back into this BPR. We want to see price retrace back into this BPR, but we never got filled. So price just went without us all the way up until right here.
Fuck. Did I miss it?
No, I just started.
Oh, bad.
Yeah. So right here, we didn't quite sweep previous day high, but we just like kind of put in relative equal highs, chopped around, and then right. I honestly wanted to see this happen. I wanted to see us come up, put in relative equal highs, and then chop around, and then manipulate lower for us to come higher. And as you can see, that did happen, but we just fucked up our entry today, bro. It's because some of you love it.
You
Not
got
playing.
manipulated.
No. All right. Let me
Uh,
explain myself.
it's
So
cause
using our fib, we can mark out OT premium and discount of this displacement range, right? So right here, price we accumulated for maybe like 15 minutes, and then we pushed down lower, swooping this low, tapping 50%. So I was like, fuck, this is a really good place for us to just come higher and just sweep this high. Like this would be like ideal, not ideal, but this would be like it would make sense for us to just come and take this high. All right, I'm about to ban this kid, bro. Hunter's daddy. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Jet. But this would be ideal place. But what ended up happening was, yeah, we entered right here. We were up like a decent bit. We were up like 100 ticks in profit. Nah, we were like at the peak we were up like 120 ticks in profit. Then we got stopped at our break even right here. And what ended up happening was price returned to OTE where we came for a previous day high. And this was my original entry right here. I wanted to enter in OTE, but I just didn't want to I didn't want to miss. I was kind of chasing this morning. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want to miss out on this long. I didn't want to miss this whole move because if we took previous day high, then we have no more. We have no more buy side objectives. So, after previous day, after previous day high got swept, there was really no more trades I'll be looking for. So that's why I didn't want to miss this long. So, but as a result, I got induced for it to come higher. So we got stopped out, tapped OT, and that's where we came higher. Actually, there was a great entry right here to go long. Great entry here to go long. I had it marked out too. This where price returned to this OTE level in this 1 minute. Only reason why I didn't take it was because on ES, if you look, sorry, my chart's a mess right now. If you look at this previous, yeah, all right. If you look at the time, what time was this? 10:13 a.m. You can see price on ES, this line right here. We already swept the previous day high, putting in this SMT. That's the only reason why I didn't take this trade is because we had SMT with ES at previous day high. And so yeah, that's why I didn't enter long right here. This would have been my entry, but we already had we already had buy side SMT, so I didn't take it, and that's where we ended up distributing, taking previously high.
Didn't some people get an entry there for the sells?
What's up?
Didn't some people get an entry for sells there?
Oh yeah. Bro, wait, I'm not even capping. I'm gonna look at this, dude. You remember how I was trading this morning? And I said that this right here, like, oh yeah, like this right here was like a great place to go short. Like I said, like I know a lot. Like I bet a lot of TDM traders are going short off this sweep right here. Bro, I looked back after the market, bro. I checked my friends, bro, and they all fucking went short right here. They all shorted this high.
It's a valid sweep or turtle sweep.
The SMT and turtle
Yeah,
sweep,
they all shorted this high all the way down to right here. Literally like 1 to 20 RR. Yeah, DC model.
Oh baby.
And then my second trade was absolute like.
Oh my God.
My second trade was just pretty shit. Can't lie. So.
Pretty booty cheeks.
Pretty booty cheeks. All right. I mean, I give it a B minus. I give it a B minus. I was just kind of pissed off that I got stop induced for it to come higher. That's ended up happening.
It's okay, babe.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, bro. Look how you been out playing.
Bro, look at Ash's trade that was also
Yeah, and I'll go over that one too. So what ended up happening was, I'm trying to fucking. We came into this 1 minute inverse, that original 1 minute inverse, souping this low. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. We came into this 1 minute inverse, souping this low, and off of that, we inverse this 1 minute for value right here. This little 1 minute. So that's where, right as price retraced, entered long right here, and what ended up happening was I just got stopped out, and that I took a 0.7% loss and called it a day after that. So one break even, one loss today. Unfortunate day. And then this right here, this long's up, and then I know a bunch of y'all went long off of this sweep right here.
I would have full boarded.
I did. I was already at like 0.8% loss as well, so I don't want to.
This trade is not bad either. I mean, we had an SMT as well at these lows. The only thing that I didn't really fuck with this trade was we already took the buy side objective, so I didn't really. I would have expected price to just accumulate, so I didn't really like expect this huge expansion move, but we swept this low.
I wonder what his levels are though. I'm trying to understand what Ash's.
Is Ash in here?
I
don't want to leak his balls of his. All right. It's just midnight. It's just midnight opening gap, bro. It's literally just midnight open, bro.
Hey baby.
Look, if I go to midnight open.
I'm super gay.
Look, it's just midnight open, bro.
They don't fall. I'm actually full as fuck.
Look. It's just midnight open, bro. See
that?
that?
I think we're banking tomorrow.
Oh, that's what. Oh yeah. So
it's just midnight
open.
Alright, so we soup this low SMT right here. That's where tap into midnight open. That's where like half of y'all went fucking long, full ported this shit.
I don't think any of us did yet. I think like 2 people did.
Yeah, no, like, we had already lost like 2 trades. So
nah, who took this? I know. Cash took
Sage.
this.
It was only Sage.
Cash,
Sage,
and like, nah, Cash.
Nah, Cash didn't.
No, Cash did, but the reason why Cash took this is because he fucking revenge traded, bro.
Oh, that man made 6 bands online.
No, dude, bro? What ended up happening with Ash was it was so unfortunate. All right, he was targeting. I don't know. He was targeting like this. He was targeting this high up here. And I knew this shit wasn't going to sweep, bro. Y'all, like, I was saying this shit was not going to get swept.
High, bro, he was aiming that shit?
Yes, bro. I said what was going to happen was we would come here and then we just chop up the rest of the day because I was predicting a accumulation day. Literally, he parceled one contract right here and then rest got taken out of break even.
Yeah.
So he only made one contract on this trade when he was in 3.
I told him to take 2 up there.
I would have took everything out right here. There's dude, look.
Yeah,
there's no more.
There's no way they're pushing that.
Okay, listen. I'm gonna explain to you. All right, watch. There's no more objectives above previously high besides this, our drawn liquidity, right? So and Tuesday isn't reaching. Tuesday, I say we're saving this for Wednesday or Thursday. Tuesday's not reaching all the way up. What the fuck is this? Tuesday is not reaching all the way here.
I just fingered your mom.
Because on the daily time frame we have we have Monday was X, Tuesday's
Yeah, Monday was X.
Tuesday's A. So I was expecting a bullish accumulation day today, and that's what we got. Tuesday was A,
But tomorrow's manipulation.
and tomorrow's
This is
manipulation.
smart.
And we're already coming lower, dude. I mean, this was from earnings though, so I don't really like. This is like news.
What's tomorrow gonna be?
Yeah. And then after that, we just literally we printed a straight barcode for the rest of the day. No, I hope none of y'all traded this. We didn't trade this. I hope you guys didn't. Like, dude,
I did. I took a long.
this is straight
I think the
barcode
only
price
valid
action, bro. I
trade there
mean,
would've been the two.
You see that 1 minute.
I mean, look at these candles, bro. Look at these candles, bro. Bro, y'all need to listen, bro. The less trading means you become more profitable, bro. Less is more in trading, bro. Less is really more.
Oh, that's true.
Less is really more, bro. Less trades is better, bro. I
Like
only
more
looked at
The reason it took me like 50 days to pass the freaking top step was 'cause, like I was taking like 3 to 4 trades a day. Like every time I lose, I try to revenge trade, and it just got worse.
I only take 1 to 2 trades a day, and
You
y'all
did.
know that. I'd be sitting here after 2 trades and just doing nothing and just watching price.
I trade like 10 times a day.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's not bad. 10 times like pretty good.
I'm sorry.
It's everyone's different, but I just like
Mhm.
if it works for you, it
Depends.
works for you. I'm not gonna tell you not to stop doing it if it works for you. Alright, and then the A plus trade I was talking about today that was really ideal, that we missed out on. I already covered it. Was this soup right here?
Why didn't you enter it?
Because I didn't. I felt like price could have extended a little lower to this low, and there was no SMT. If there was SMT, I would have entered straight on it. But yeah, I wanted to make sure price wasn't going to extend to this low, so I waited for a displacement, and versus this was my entry then. If we had SMT, I would have entered on it.
That's like DC model, bro.
Nah, this isn't
Unlucky in it.
this isn't the DC model. There's no SMT, but this up here,
Oh,
this
No,
was
if it had it.
this was a DC model right here.
AJ asked if we could talk about drawing liquidity.
Draw liquidity. All right.
Okay.
So draw liquidity is super simple, bro. Go on the daily time frame, right? Start off on the monthly actually. Just start off on the higher time frames. Okay, maybe not the monthly. There's like nothing. A monthly, monthly, you can just see we're coming off of this monthly imbalance. Really nothing else. Go down to weekly. Weekly, we're trading off of this weekly imbalance. So it looks like we're just trading higher on the weekly. We're coming off of this weekly fair value gap. And then we're coming off of, right here on the weekly, we retraced.
Equilibrium of the fair value.
Yeah, on the weekly, we came all the way down to 50% of this weekly. So I wanted to see at least like a minimum bullish reaction off of this. Go down to the daily. We had, so you want to start from the higher and drop down to lower, see what's being respected and see what's being disrespected. See what PD arrays are being respected and disrespected, and just look at where price is reaching forwards. That's like the easiest way to explain it. On the daily time frame, you can see we're in that weekly imbalance. We have SMT at these lows as well, right here. SMT in that daily imbalance. So you would expect bullish price action. So Monday, I was expecting accumulation or a bullish day, and what ended up happening was on Monday we had a bullish day. So right here, you can see we're forming a little buy model. That's where you form your drawing liquidity off of is buy and sell models. That's what I form mine off of.
What's
Also,
STI?
yeah, STI just means a protected low.
Oh.
Yeah.
Green.
That's the bottom of the buy mode.
Yeah. And it wouldn't make sense for us to sell right here when we have this premium daily imbalance aligned with these equal highs right here. We have equal highs as well. It just wouldn't make sense for price to sell right here. That's why we're targeting these equal highs when we're in a buy model. So it makes sense for us to be the drawn liquidity. And then to catch like intraday drawn liquidity, you can also use quarterly theory. I don't know if you understand it. I don't really want to explain it all because it's a lot to explain. But you can use quarterly theory, which pretty much is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's literally this is just quarterly theory, bro.
Yeah, I love quarterly theory. Bro, I was watching like 4-hour videos yesterday because I couldn't sleep.
This is just quarterly.
Simple.
This is just quarterly theory. Does the 9-minute quarters still happen on Friday? AMDX and XAMD. Yeah, is your drawn out? Yeah, it still happens. I mean, but Friday is different day. Friday is typically like a retracement day. It's Friday. Friday's its own thing. Friday's either retracement
What is
or
that indicator
continuing.
called, Hunter?
What?
That indicator that you just put on.
Oh,
Quarterly theory one.
it's this. Here, right here.
Day quarterly theory by 2 degrees.
No. It's this one. Sorry, it's this one. It's waffles underscore Bitcoin.
Okay, quarterly cycles.
Yeah, by waffles underscore BTC.
But
And you
bro,
can see
are you targeting
you can see
all-time
quarters
highs
up
now,
here.
or the
What's up, bro?
as drawn liquidity? Are you targeting the all-time highs or just the gap?
Well, so for right now, we're targeting this gap, and then off of this gap, we want to see a reaction. If we don't see a reaction, then we'll target all-time highs. But now we want to see how we react off this gap. I'm not trying to predict price. I want to react to price, you know?
I bet.
Does that make sense? What the fuck is this, bro? Before you kiss, consent, make sure both your partner confirm
Oh hell no, bro.
to
What
engage
the
in a
fuck?
kiss.
Bro,
Is that
get this
weed
man out
out,
of here,
bro?
bro. Get this man out of here, bro.
But yeah, you would use
You
open
put
you would
that
use
up?
weekly and daily open open low high close or open high low close to find weekly and daily draws as well.
Ooh, and what do you think about the ES gap
The ES gap
on daily?
on the daily, bro. There's a gap on ES and NQ right now. Look,
Usually when there's a
Yeah,
gap, it always
the
typically there's a gap.
the one on NQ got filled, but the one on ES didn't.
Holy fuck.
Am I right?
Like
or wrong?
not this gap. If you go on daily, you'll see a gap on the left side.
Oh,
On-
the volume. Oh,
below
yeah.
the SMT.
No. There's no gap. There's no gap. You need to change your chart.
Oh shit, yeah.
You're on the wrong chart. You're on ES1. You gotta go to ESU.
I'm on the same one as you, bro.
Are you sure?
ESU 2024.
Are you sure you're not on this one? Because I know a lot of people are on ES1.
Wait, what's the difference?
ES1, there's a big gap right here, which this gap
Wait,
doesn't.
what's the difference?
Well, I mean, okay, so this is where the contract changed. So the prices change when the contract changes. So that's why there's a gap here. This gap doesn't exist though. You gotta go to ESC. It's a contract change.
Okay, I'm changing charts.
Yeah. It's the ESU chart, and NQU. This is the what contract? This is the September contract.
The end dog can be a drawn liquidity, right?
Yeah, NDOG's drawn liquidity. It's used as a drawn liquidity.
Yeah.
NDOG used as liquidity.
That's what I've noticed. Like every time I see a gap like that, every time
Price
like,
returns
it
to
always
it.
gets filled.
Yeah,
It
so-
always does.
Yeah, I'm recording this. I'm gonna upload on YouTube too. I'm gonna paste the link and everything. Yo, also, I know Sam. Okay, Samsky. All right, let me read what you said earlier to me. If y'all got any questions, just type in chat. I agree. Samsky. I'm in. All right, bro. So I know you struggle with emotions, risk management, and just like dealing with just dealing with emotions and trading. Like when you see your P&L shift a lot. I know you're not used to it because you're trading a 250K account, so like your P&L is gonna move very what's the word? Like it's just gonna move very quickly because you're not used to trading 250K. But the thing is, bro, to avoid to stop revenge trading and like over trading, bro, you know the feeling you get when you lose after revenge trading, over trading, like that feeling you had when you lost $5,000 in one day, bro. Are you here? Yes, bro, it's ass, right? That shit sucks. Like, you're gonna look back at that shit like, damn, bro, why the fuck did I do that, right? That feeling? Bro, you need to write that feeling down on a piece of paper and tape that shit to your monitor, bro. Write it down, bro. Write that feeling down and make sure every time you trade, you read that and you see it and you relive that moment, bro. You have to, bro. That's the only way you'll learn. You have to relive it. You have to write it down. You have to journal.
Same thing with FOMO. I know a lot of people have done FOMO trades. Like you gotta remember that it's better to not take a loss than to take a loss. You know.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Like it's better just to stay break even where you are at than to take a fucking loss for no reason.
I know a lot of people are FOMOing today, bro. So many people are fucking FOMOing today. That shit might
there's
work.
No point,
That shit might
because
work.
there's no point.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
That shit might work on the day. You might get lucky for a week doing that shit. You might get lucky for a whole month FOMOing. But I'm telling you, it's not It's not gonna work long term.
Long term, it's not. Yeah, no.
It's not. You will not work long
You gotta
term,
stay
bro.
disciplined, consistent.
sustainable,
This is
bro.
a thing that you're gonna be doing long term. So you gotta think
Yeah.
long term, not
I
short.
got a buddy. His name is Lake, bro. He got a $3,000 payout, but he is like a full-time FOMO revenge trader, bro. And all he did was get lucky. That's all he did. And he's struggling to get another payout now. And it's just because he got lucky from FOMOing and revenge trading.
Yeah.
Like he takes a loss and just enters 15 contracts back, tries to make his loss back, and he just got fucking
remember
lucky,
that.
bro.
Fast money builds ego.
Yes, bro. And when you blow your account's doing that, you gotta write that shit down and be like, damn, I'm a dumbass, bro. You're fucking retarded, bro. Why are you doing this shit? Why are you trying to fucking full port, bro? Why are you trying to pass your shit quick? Why are you trying to make money quick, bro? It's never gonna work, bro. You gotta write that shit down. You gotta call yourself a retard. Literally.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
Another thing is that, like, too, like, if you have, like, an account like that, like, 150, 200K, bro, that shit can literally change your life after a payout. Like, the way you see things, like, it literally, like,
Bro, this trading,
motivates you to, like, work harder, you know?
all trading is a percentage game, bro. Okay? We're not trying to make 20% in a week, dude. It's just a percentage game, bro. You lose 1% a day. You lose, like, it's fine. But then on the winning days, you make it all back. That's why you have to stick to your rules. Stop revenge trading and FOMOing. Because if you, like, one losing day, you can lose, like, 7% doing that shit. Or, like, 3% doing that shit. And that's a big loss, bro. Losing 3% of the day is, like, big. Especially on a futures account. When you have, like, 3% max drawdown.
Yeah.
That's nothing. Alright.
Or when you try to quit corn. I don't know what that has to do with anything. Yes, bro. Just think of like your dreams of being profitable slipping away every time you do that. And I know that, bro. Like, and when that shit does work though, like you be like, damn, bro, I'm so good at trading. I'm him, bro. I'm the best trader in the world. And then the next thing you blow your account and you're like, fuck, I retarded. That shit won't work, bro. I'm telling you, that shit won't work.
Yeah, a lot of people are so close to, like, literally making it happen, but they FOMO, dude. Like, every time.
Exactly, bro. And it
They
literally
don't realize
happens.
like, you're literally right there. You're right there, but you just FOMO it. You FOMO it every time.
It's also so common when people are like very close to passing their account or like very close to a payout. They'll just like, I don't know why. I don't know why people do this, but they just like upsize or they just like start like increasing risk because they want to pass that shit quick or they want to get a bigger payout. That
It's
shit
the
won't
same
work.
thing. Like, if you passed it, there's no different thing from passing it today than, like, in 2 days, you know?
Yes, bro.
There's nothing
No
different.
difference, bro. Actually, the difference is you have to buy a new account, and now you just set yourself back another week.
Yeah.
So close. I'm so close.
You're on liquidity, always you gotta look first.
Yeah.